Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Blender Hacks. Today we will create 3D model from 2D image in just a few minutes. Let's start. First open the Inkscape app. Open File Manager and drag the image into the Inkscape. Adjust the image in Inkscape box. Select single scan and then adjust the values. Now click on Apply. Select and delete the original image. Click on File, select the option Save As and give a name to the file and save as SVG. Open Blender. Click on File, then click on Import SVG. Find File option and double-click on File. Remove material from the object. Right-click and select Convert to Mesh. Now add Solidify modifier and our model is ready. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.